Whether it be a pickup broom or a sweeper style, as it's commonly referred to, or an angle broom, we have the sweeping solution for your individual needs. These brooms are equipped with a universal skid steer interface plate. That means they are compatible with skid steer loaders, compact track loaders, multi-terrain loaders, and also compact wheel loaders. Starting out with the sweeper style of brooms, from CAT we offer two different options. One, the BP or pickup broom, and two, the BU or the utility broom. Each are offered in two different widths, 1.5 meters and 1.8 meters. You can tell the width from the nomenclature that's used. For example, this broom here today is the BP 118C. That means 1.8 meters in working width, or bristle engagement is up to 1.8 meters. The C stands for the third generation of brooms, as we progressively get better with our broom and really our sweeping portfolio as a whole. The BP model of brooms has a lot of different features and a lot of different options to best suit your individual needs. From a gutter brush to a water tank equipped with a water sprinkler kit, you can outfit this broom with an onboard water sprinkler kit to engage the bristles with water to reduce dust dispersion and make sure that that job site that you're cleaning up in terms of maintenance is clean. The gutter brush allows you to get up close to buildings around those job sites without having to maneuver the skid steer. The gutter brush simply flings that material out from the corner of the building to get engaged by the main bristles of the broom itself. What separates the two variants of sweeper style brooms at CAT from the BP to the BU is the use of this caster wheel on the BP. The BP 118C shown here has this caster wheel, which limits the amount of bristle engagement that you can achieve regardless of down pressure of the skid steer loader coupler. On the BU broom, which we will talk about in a bit, you can actually maximize the amount of down pressure that you apply with your bristles with the use of the coupler of the skid steer or compact wheel loader, depending on the machine that you're using. The pickup broom also has an onboard OMM, which contains all of the parts list as well as an operating guide for use of the broom itself. Another differentiating feature of the BP broom or pickup broom is the fact that you can adjust the bristle height. Like I talked about, you're limited with the wheel, but you can adjust that height very simply with the use of this lever, pulling this pin, pushing this lever down in order to raise bristle height, or pulling the lever up in order to lower the bristle height. And that can give you the adjustability in bristle engagement that you might need for different types of material that you're picking up with this broom. Both brooms, whether it be a utility broom or a pickup broom, come equipped with an integrated hopper. There's two styles of dumping that material that is put in that hopper are also a differentiating feature. The pickup broom comes equipped with these chains that hook to the clam portion of the pickup broom through the lift arms of a skid steer loader, and then when you go to dump material, that clam portion actually is held by the chains and the hopper is allowed to dump the material out. In order to maximize the amount of material that's in your hopper at each dumping cycle, the BP broom is equipped with an onboard volumizer. That volumizer is a rubber flap that rotates down with the use of this T-handle in order to come in front of the bucket cutting edge, or hopper in this case, and retain more material in the bucket itself. When you go to dump, you then open up the clamshell, dump your material out, and you go back to work. The other style of sweeper available from CAT is the utility broom. We're shown here in the BU 118 variant. 1.8 meters in width, shown by the nomenclature, also available in 1.5 meters in width. The key differentiating feature between the utility broom and the pickup broom that we talked about earlier is that there's no caster wheel. Without the front caster wheel, the utility broom is able to maximize the bristle engagement with the use of a skid steer coupler tilt, whether that be on a compact track loader, a compact wheel loader, multi-terrain loader, or skid steer loader. You can use that coupler to tilt the broom forward, maximize bristle engagement, and remove millings from cold planing faster. The key wear part on any broom is its bristles. Our CAT brooms here at the utility are designed to maximize the life of those bristles and lower your owning and operating costs. On the utility broom, we have a bolted joint that allows you to change the level of your bristles and their engagement. That bolted joint is connected to the hopper as well as the shell that separate the two. So if you were wanting to service the hopper of the broom, you could also remove this bolted joint, easily hinge up the top shell of the broom, and get to the bolted cutting edge that is incorporated into the hopper of this broom. Whether it be a utility broom or a pickup broom, both sweeper options from CAT come equipped with a rubber boot that surrounds the front half of the broom itself. This limits dust dispersion and allows that broom to have the maximum vacuum in order to sweep that material into the hopper that's incorporated into the sweeper. Also on our utility brooms is an onboard water tank and water sprinkler system. For more information on this utility broom or this pickup broom or any broom in our portfolio of sweeping solutions, I encourage you to contact your local CAT dealer.